is not here. How to make it to universal, that we discussed. Do you remember what was the expected number of collisions? It is E of x. How we founded it? We took an indicator random variable xij. Then that was we took the probability of that. Probability of this means h of this I will be h of j, and as we are taking from universal hash family, so this will be 1 out of m. So this is xij is h of, say, if I take the elements as I, j, then h of I equals to h of j, this probability. This is denoted by xij. So this is 1 by m as it is part of universal hash family. So it took the sum over all possible xij, e of xij, and it was less or equals to n into n minus 2 into 1 by m, right? So nc2 into 1 by m. This we did earlier. Is it can you remember at least part of it? If we take two universal hash family, then what was the expected number of collisions or the expected chain length? After that, we show that how to create an universal hash family and then how to create a strongly universal hash family. So this result we are going to use now again. So for strongly to universal hash family, the problem was that our number of keys and number of slots was equal. To solve that, we use the extension field using vector space. So if we use vector space, we can create a strongly universal hash family, which will give you the this probability of collision will be 1 by p square, but the number of keys to be mapped to this p element, that can be very large. It can be p to the power k minus 1. Now we are going to talk about the perfect hashing scheme. Perfect hashing scheme is when your data are already stored, just like a dictionary. In case of dictionary, all the you are not going to insert any new word. It is already built. All the data are there, so you just have to search it. So it is a static kind of hashing. So it is static mapping, like dictionary. So you will not insert anything, no further insertion, only search operation. So if it is search operation, we have to do the hashing in such a way that for any random element to search, the expected number of elements that we have to search before we can find it is within some limit. That limit, if it is a reasonable limit, then we can say that this scheme is going to be a perfect hashing scheme. Okay, we take the, here also we are going to take the two universal hash family, or more specifically uh, from this function. So we are going to use two universal hash family. So it is h equals to what? X plus b mod p mod m, right? I didn't use it properly. Where your A belongs to which and B belongs to which set. It is Z P star. Is it ZP star? Where I can't take 0.
with A.
A we can't take as 0, right? So it is P star and this one is ZP. So this is the universal hash family from where we are going to pick up the hash function for perfect hashing. Okay.